Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Please subscribe Future Tech RPA channel to watch my latest video on trending technology. Okay. So hi guys, today we are going to learn UiPath Studio. First, we'll understand what is modern and classic folder. So right now we'll try to launch UiPath Studio. Okay. When you want to launch UiPath Studio, after installing, you have to go for window and you have to search UiPath Studio. Okay. So we'll get the UiPath Studio and you can open, you can click on launch. So when you launch, you will get the child window that is 2020.4.3, and that is the latest version I am using. And you can see here right now we are getting the studio community version. It's free, and I'm using this things called 2022.4.3. Right now we'll try to create new project. For that we have to click on process, start a blank project to design a new automation process. So there I'll try to give the name of project. Right now I'm giving this name called Future Tech Demo. Okay. And location by default, you will take your documents, UiPath, and language it's VB, and try to click on create. Try to click on create, and you'll try to create one workspace. That in the creating the workspace, and it will make ready with the proper automation. So right now we are the inside the project of Future Tech Demo, and right now we'll try to start automation. For starting any new program, you have to go for this thing called Open Main Workflow. You have to click on Open Main Workflow, and right now we are inside the Workflow Designer panel. Right now we are inside the main program, and it's asking for drop activities. Drop activity here. Okay, so anyone who are going to learn this RPA, but there are lots of people every day they ask how I can get all activities like that. If you want to automate any Google, you want to automate the notepad, you want to automate the calculator. So there are lots of people, they go here, they go to the activity panel and they search the activity type like that, open browser. So when you search the open browser, you will not get the proper activities. Okay, because I will tell you right now, after installing the UiPath Studio version like the 2021.10.3, when you install after the version of 2021.10.3 or any latest version, when you install in UiPath, by default, you will get the modern folder. Okay, by default, you will get the modern folder. So when you try to search these things called open browser, you try to search these things called open application. So basic activity you will not get in particular activity panel. You can see right now, if you try to search these things called open application, we are not getting the option of open application. If you try to go for these things called type into, so all the basic activity will not get, we are not getting the type secure text also, you can see here. Okay, so right now what we'll right now, the first option I will tell you, you have to go for project. And when you go for project, when you go for activities, we have to go for filter. Okay, so here you will get the option called filter. There you have to click on this things called view option, and you have to select these things called show classic also. Okay, so when you click on show classic, automatically when you go for searching the activity like that open browser, so we'll get all the open browser activity. You can see right now we are getting this open browser, we are getting these things called open application, and when you search these things called type into, we are getting all activity. That is the keyword type into and type secure text also. That is the first way you can go and you can change from your project, and there will get the all activity. You can go for these things called activity, and you can go for change from your filter option. Okay, first thing. Second thing, if you are new into UiPath, definitely you want to automate the data scraping. You want to automate the through data scraping and screen scraping, especially for extract the data from any website like the Flipkart or Amazon. So you try to search these things called data scraping and screen scraping. We are not getting the option of data scraping and screen scraping. So again, you will confuse. You search on different Google how to get the particular data scraping, screen scraping, because that is the major topic of UiPath. Okay, so it guys, it's very simple, it's very easy. what you have to do right now. If you try to go for home, and in home you have to click on your setting. In setting you have to go for design, and if you try to change these things called, if you by default it's EE, it's yes for use, modern for new projects. Right now it's in yes mode. By default it's already enabled for everyone who are going to install the latest version of 2022 or after 2021. Okay, so by the way I will tell you these things. If you try to go for activity, and if you not go for filter option also, and if you directly try to change these things from home and your setting option directly, if you disable also, everything will work perfect. Like that, your data scrapping, your open application, your type into your open browser, everything will come. So you can disable these things from here also. If you disable, you have to go for no. Okay, next what you do, if you try to again check your project and all these things, if you refresh also from here, and when you go there you will not get the data scrapping. So right now what you have to do, you have to go for home and you have to open the new project. Okay, you have to go for again start button, to click on start, and you have to go for this things called process. Okay, so you have to create the new project for that, and there I'm going to pass this things called FT demo, future tech demo, and right now again I'm going to create. The moment when you go for change these things, automatically you will get the particular data scrapping and screen scrapping. Automatically you will get, you can see right now we are getting these things called data scrapping and screen scrapping. Everything it's working perfect. So two way to change your things from UiPath, you can change it. Okay, again there is one other option also I will tell you. If you want to change the settings, we have changed from home right now from here. If you want to change from design interface, you can go here inside your design in your setting, and when you go for setting, there you have to go for this things called, you have to change for this things called modern folder. We have to go for no. So when you go for this things called reload, automatically you will get the change code. You will get the automatically you can change from here. Automatically your data scrapping and screen scrapping will come proper. You can see right now we are right now, previous was the data scrapping, right now we're getting these things called app and web recorder. Like the previous, if you want to change, you can go for setting, and right now again we are going to change these things called, that is by default yes, but if you try to change no, you have to go for reload, and after that you will get the data scrapping and screen scrapping in your UiPath. Okay, so that is the best way to change your modern to classic folder. So that is the three way. You can go for filter, you can go for these things called home setting, and after the third way to go for settings, and you can change from there from your UiPath. Okay, so guys, please try to subscribe my channel, and please try to watch my latest video on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.